When it comes to celebrating Halloween, choosing the best costume can make your night even more memorable. Here are 16 costume ideas that are sure to be a hit. Classic witch. A long black dress, a pointy hat, and a broomstick are all you need for this timeless costume. Vampire, channel your inner Dracula with fangs, a cape, and a pale complexion. Zombie. Get gory with tattered clothes, pale makeup, and fake wounds to transform into the living dead. Ghost. A simple white sheet with eye holes can make for a spooky classic ghost costume. Pirate. Sail the high seas with an eye patch, a tricorn hat, and a pirate's attire. Superhero. Embrace your inner hero with costumes from your favorite comic book characters like Superman, Wonder Woman, or Spider-Man. Disney character. Bring your beloved Disney character to life, whether it's Cinderella, Elsa, or Mickey Mouse. Classic monster, from Frankenstein to the Mummy, classic movie monsters make for iconic costumes. Zombie bride or groom. Combine the elements of a wedding outfit with zombie makeup for a spooky twist. Animal onesie. These cozy and cute onesies come in various animal designs and are perfect for a lighthearted Halloween. 1980s nostalgia. Celebrate the 80s with neon colors, leg warmers, and scrunchies for a blast from the past. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and push button like. Also, please check comments. It will be helpful. Stranger Things characters. Dress as your favorite character from the popular Netflix series like Eleven or Dustin. Historical figure. Become a famous historical figure such as Cleopatra, Albert Einstein, or Marie Antoinette. Scary clown. Take a page from the horror genre with a creepy clown costume and makeup. Game of Thrones. Transform into a character from the iconic series like Jon Snow or Daenerys Targaryen. Movie or TV show character. Choose a beloved character from a recent movie or TV series like Harry Potter or a Star Wars character. Remember, the best costume is the one that makes you feel confident and has personal meaning for you. Whether you go for classic or creative, have a spooktacular Halloween. Thank you. Have a great day.